In the world of computer programming, 1987 marked a pivotal year with the birth of Turbo C. Developed by Borland, Turbo C wasn't just another programming language, it was a revolution. It provided programmers with an integrated development environment, or IDE, a rare and valuable tool at the time. This made writing, compiling, and debugging code significantly easier. Imagine having a toolbox with everything you need in one place. That was Turbo C for programmers. Turbo C made a significant impact on the world of IBM-compatible PCs, which were becoming increasingly popular during the 1980s. These machines were revolutionizing the way people interacted with technology, and Turbo C played a crucial role in this transformation. One of its key advantages was its remarkably efficient design, which stood out in an era where resources were limited and every byte of memory counted. The initial version of Turbo C required a mere 384 kilobytes of memory, a tiny footprint compared to other software at the time. This minimal memory requirement allowed it to run on a wide range of systems, making it highly versatile. This efficiency extended to its compilation speed as well, which was a game-changer for developers. Turbo C could compile code at lightning speed, significantly reducing the time developers spent waiting for their programs to compile. This rapid compilation process made programmers more productive and allowed for quicker iterations and debugging. This efficiency, combined with its affordability, made Turbo C accessible to a wider audience. It was priced competitively, which meant that not only large corporations but also small businesses, educational institutions, and individual enthusiasts could afford it. It quickly gained popularity among hobbyists, students, and professionals alike. Its user-friendly interface and comprehensive documentation made it an ideal tool for learning and mastering the C programming language. Turbo C democratized programming by making it easier and more affordable for everyone to learn and use the C programming language. It broke down barriers, allowing a diverse range of people to enter the world of software development and contribute to the growing tech industry. At the heart of Turbo C's success was its innovative IDE, which revolutionized the way programmers approach software development. This integrated environment provided all the tools programmers needed in one place, simplifying the development process and significantly boosting productivity. Another standout feature was its support for inline assembly code, a rare and powerful capability at the time. This allowed programmers to embed assembly language directly into their C code, giving them fine-grained control over hardware and performance, which was crucial for optimizing critical sections of their programs. Turbo C didn't leave its users in the dark. It came bundled with comprehensive documentation that was praised for its clarity and depth. The manuals covered everything from basic syntax to advanced programming techniques, making it an invaluable resource. This made it easier for beginners to grasp the intricacies of C programming, and for experienced programmers to leverage the full power of Turbo C, ensuring that everyone could benefit from its robust features. While Turbo C is no longer actively developed or sold, its legacy in the world of programming remains strong. This software, which was once a staple in the toolkit of many budding programmers, has left an indelible mark on the industry. Turbo C played a pivotal role in popularizing the C programming language and making it accessible to a wider audience. It was not just a tool, but a gateway for many into the world of coding. Its influence can be seen in the design of many modern IDEs that we use today. Features that we now take for granted in contemporary development environments were pioneered by Turbo C. Educational institutions, particularly in developing countries, continued to use Turbo C for many years due to its simplicity, affordability, and effectiveness in teaching the fundamentals of programming. It provided a solid foundation for students to build upon. Even though Turbo C might be considered a relic of the past, its impact on the world of programming is undeniable. The software's straightforward approach and robust features made it a beloved tool for many. It empowered a generation of programmers and left an enduring legacy that continues to inspire. The lessons learned and the skills developed using Turbo C have paved the way for countless innovations in the tech world.